Hello everyone, this is a very simple representations of a Arduino UNO board and its operations both for digital and analog, and also I am representing here a communication system through a serial port with a PC. That means a data received from the analog input through the Arduino, and this data is transferred to the has been transferred to the PC, and through the PC I can control a LED connected with the output port of a Arduino. So in details you can get in my GitHub both for description and for the code, but here I am presenting very shortly. So here you can see two LED, one is white and another is red. This white LED is controlled from this button switch, push button switch. So if I push the button, we can see the LED is turned on. If I release the button, the LED is turned off. And if I get into the my serial monitor, you can see two value. The first value is for the potentiometer and second value is for the push button switch. So if I push the button, we can see the value is 1, and if I release the button, we can see the button is 0, the value is 0. And for the push button, for the potentiometer, if I increase the value, its value go up to 1023. As this is a 10-bit system, the maximum value is for 1023, and if I decrease, its value goes to 0. It's almost 0. Now I am going to show another feature that is very interesting feature, that is through processing website and the Java code. That means a potentiometer value is taken and throw it to the PC, and it can show by a bar graph in a PC. So this is the value. There are many features. If I press the button, we can see that in the green text button is pressed, message shown, and if I release the button, then button is not pressed, message is shown. And we can also see here the potentiometer value as both for the digit and for the bar graph. So if I increase the potentiometer to high, and I can decrease it to 0. And another interesting feature is that first of all I can show you the LED. The red LED is not turned on, but if I press the button A, we can see that the LED is turned on, and if I press the button B, the LED is turned off. Again, A, B. That's all. Thank you very much.